Hi, I'm Deidran. Welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. Dancehall artist Popcorn is among the list of top acts to make cameo appearances in Nicki Minaj's star-studded music video for No Frauds, which features Canadian rapper Drake and Lil Wayne. The Benny Boom-directed video was shot in London while on Drake's Boy Meets World tour. We're almost at the climax of the Bacchanal season, and organizers are overly satisfied with the support for the events, including last weekend's successful staging of Bacchanal Beach Juve. Expectations are high, and the excitement continues with Bacchanal Juve this Friday at Mass Camp, headlined by Kez and the band. Nyla Kiss Blackman out of Trinidad will also make an appearance, along with top soca DJs Private Ryan, Rishi Ras, Back to Basics and Smoke, providing a mix of the latest soca hits. Grammy Award-winning singer, songwriter and actress Ashanti will be in concert on Sunday, June 11 as part of a Caribbean Fashion Week events. The artist plays dual roles as she doubles as celebrity host for the events as well as performer. CFW is this year dubbed the best of CFW, with many of the best designers, supermodels and celebrities of the past, present and future expected to be in attendance. On the international scene, People magazine has named Julia Roberts the world's most beautiful woman, and for the 5th time. People magazine's 28th annual World's Most Beautiful double issue will be on newsstands this Friday. Julia Roberts claimed the Beautiful Woman title previously in 2010, 2005, 2000 and 1991. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Deidran. Thank you for watching.
E-Prime brought to you by